Hey, what is up, guys? Cameron back with his fourth vlog. It is June 26th, and today I'm about to get picked up by my friend Enrique, and we're gonna build a computer with my other friend named Jared. Alright, guys.
Yo, we out here. What's up?
Alright, that's Enrique.
Yo, you ready for some tunes, bro? I got my subs.
Alright, guys,
We're arriving at the palace of Jared.
Yeah. Gotta get Jared building his computer. Hey, boy. Yeah, you just got an L. Yes, something.
I just took the L, dude. That's why you can't trust girls.
Can't
you
trust
just hand
them.
out L's. And I was like,
what?
I just walked away. Like, I didn't say.
.com.
I got a review posted about me on PEQ. I was running the drive-thru. I feel like I'm like telling like a rape story. I was running the drive-thru, and this guy like handed him his food, and he was like, "Hey, smile," and he just took a picture of me. And then like a month later, Kim comes up to me. She's like, "Hey, somebody posted a picture of you online," and I was like, "Oh," and that was it. He just took a picture of me. Never told me why.
So a random guy took a picture of you?
Random guy took a picture of me
I
in the
know.
drive-thru, told me to smile, and I had no choice. I smiled.
He literally like, I think we were closed. It must have been like 9:50 something. Like we were almost about to close. Or I don't know what we were doing, but I was standing up at the front. I don't remember why, but I looked back there, and this woman is out of her car, like banging on the window, like trying to get our attention. And I was like, oh my god! And she tried to, I don't know what she was trying to do. And I was like, hello.
Did.
Yeah.
Alright, Zach, tell the story.
You are so grounded.
To be fair, I draw boobs on the window all the time.
Dude,
Oh,
that boy
okay.
Chris was just like heated for no reason. Literally, I was just like,
Tell us.
I literally just like,
events.
I
How
literally
did
went to
it start?
I went to James and I was like, hey man, is your penis on the walk-in? He looked at you guys. I was gonna erase that, but never mind. I'm just gonna leave it be. And then I like walked away, and all of a sudden you guys, Zach, John, come back here. And I'm just like, see him all lined up, looking at the walk-in, and I go, it was probably me. He goes, all right, go home. I was like, okay.
Oh, is
Just took out my apron and
You didn't
walked
yell
out
at
and
you?
left. Nah, I didn't say a word. I said okay.
I'm gonna call your.
Dude, he said that he thought it was Elijah and he was about to fire him.
Really?
Nobody say that to anyone.
It's going on my vlog.
I know, but he won't watch that. And if he does, hey Elijah.
Dude, I'm more surprised, but it didn't have any issues
Yeah,
whatsoever.
yeah,
Hopefully it
yeah.
reads up all 16 gigabytes of RAM though. That'd be kind of sucky.
Look how small this thing is.
Can you shut this room, Jamie?
That's the 970. The 1080 isn't.
Oh.
The 1080 isn't until tomorrow.
If you watch this Cameron's vlog, you're gay.
Gay Pride Month.
Hey, get that
That's
camera.
not weird.
Get out of my face. I don't want to be seen. Hater blockers. Zach White.
Put it on the vlog, bro.
Zach White times how long it takes.
Enrique,
for
I got
video to
you.
stop. we're all like this.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh God, Enrique. Yeah, throw it on me. Oh yeah.
Really wish you could
Guys.
help me out right now.
We're here at Freddy's.
Look at this.
Look at this. A hot dog with a
It's
bunch
not
of chilies.
easy.
A hot dog with a bunch
Check
of
this
chili
out.
on
Check
it.
this out. You gotta dip it. Look at that slow mo.
Oh yeah.
You like that slow mo?
Hey, let me take a bite.
You just.
Hey, let me take
And then I got the chili. No, I didn't get chili. I got the cheese fries. He got the chili.
That's a normal face for her.
Normal face for Jamie. That looks very awkward.
It's dead. Hey guys, it's ZD25 here, coming in with another Minecraft Let's Play. Joined by us by Enrique.
Today we're gonna be playing some Minecraft. Wham.
Guys, what's Hamachi? How do you connect to the server? It's not working.
Hey guys, welcome to Enrique's vlog channel. Today I got special host Cameron Vagel and
He's a pussy.
Z-Dude25.
He's a pussy.
We've got Jamie Dude over here
Jamie dude.
and
I like men.
Jared Sexually Harris.
Magic
Alright guys, Zach White just dropped me off at home. I'm about to dip. Alright guys, I just got home. Here's Clay. Look at him. How you doing, Clay? Good. Alright guys, I want you to check out my friend Brandon's YouTube channel if you're into computers, especially because he has a lot of good computer stuff, and his channel actually will be in the description below, and I really recommend you guys check that out. He's a really good friend of mine, and he has some very good content. Guys, as you can see here, I'm in my beat laboratory. Ah! Oh yeah, my name is Clayton, and I like to party. Alright guys, thanks for watching my vlog. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for more content, and don't forget to check the description below for Brandon's channel. It's very good. It's got very good content on there. If you're into computers, I highly recommend you check that out because he's also going to have major tutorials and just a bunch of cool stuff. And yeah, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.